Good morning, dear listeners. Today we speak about the Grifola frondosa, which is also known by the famous name Maitake, which is its Japanese name. So Grifola frondosa, Maitake, is a delicious therapeutic mushroom. It's particularly used in cooking and popular in Japan, and also somehow also in China. It's renowned for its flavor and texture, and the extracts of polysaccharides, Maitake MD fractions, have been clinically applied for the treatment of different types of tumors during the years after being studied. And because of this, and because of its therapeutic properties, it's very well known, and numerous supplements, food supplements derived from Maitake as cultivated are available nowadays. So in addition to showing anti-tumor activities, Maitake strengthens the immune system in general, protects against hypertension and hyperlipidemia and diabetes type 2. So cholesterol levels are under control with this mushroom. It's also as an antioxidant effect. It's protective on the liver, and it's also antiviral and has anti-inflammatory properties, as it increases vitality as well, according to a study in 2007. So basically, the therapeutic effects of Maitake are mainly attributed to, like all the other mushrooms, obviously, the beta-glucans, polysaccharides, and also to provitamin D2. So it's vitamin D. So that's for the Maitake. We should add some clinical studies on patients with different types of cancers, which had taken Maitake polysaccharides, showed tumor regression, improvement in patients with liver cancer, breast cancer, and lung cancer, and a little bit less improvement observed for leukemia, gastric, and brain tumors. When taken together with chemotherapy, the response rate increased of the chemotherapy treatment by 12 to 28%, and the immune response is improved by 2 to 4 times, and the side effects of the chemotherapy were also reduced. The anti-tumor effect of Maitake is mainly expressed through the activation of immune cells and the production of cytokines, mediators of the immune responses. And this is true for the activation of the natural killer cells and cytotoxic T cells. And so this is the main actions on the immune system, which then has repercussions in case of viruses and tumors. So to conclude, we can summarize the main therapeutic application of Maitake. That is cancer, immune support in case of viruses, especially in the treatments with hepatitis virus, HIV virus, in general infections like candida, infections by microorganisms, and also for antioxidant effects. So these are the main applications. We have other applications, secondary applications, which is hypertension, to reduce the level of fat, cholesterol, low density cholesterol in the blood, and also for diabetes type 2, and that is to reduce the level of sugar in the blood. So that concludes our brief descriptions of Maitake, Grifola frondosa, and just to remind you that all this information is published in my book, Healing with Micotherapy. Thank you for listening.